London-bound Air India Boeing Dreamliner crashed minutes after taking off from Ahmedabad International Airport. Indian government has formed a high-level committee to probe the crash. A black box, an orange-colored device located near the tail of a plane has now been recovered at the crash site. So basically, two black boxes have been recovered, and this device will help investigate the crash that has claimed at least 265 lives. Our principal correspondent Disha Shah visited the crash site and gets us this ground report from Ahmedabad. Take a look.
A day after the horrific Ahmedabad plane tragedy, many questions still remain unanswered. What was the reason behind the massive explosion that claimed so many lives? And were there any warning signs?
Here we are talking about an Air India flight which took off from the Ahmedabad airport, which was on the way to London. It crashed right here at the very specific same spot which we are showing you. This is the doctor's hostel. There are about 5 buildings as part of this entire medical college is concerned, and every building has been affected. Every building here has faced extensive damage, and specifically the resident doctors who were present inside at the time of the crash also faced either casualties.
Eyewitnesses narrate their horror, with flames piercing through windowsills of the BJ Medical College campus. They say they have not witnessed anything like it.
Whatever happened was very devastating. It cannot be described in any words. I haven't seen anything like this in my life. There is a hostel for juniors doctor here. Many of them were there when the crash took place. Civilians engaged in rescue operations initially. Fire department and other authorities came later and recovered several dead bodies. The distance to civil hospital is about 1.5 kilometers from here.
These are the visuals of the wreckage site, showing bodies being pulled out and the injured, many with burns, wheeled into the city civil hospital close by. Emergency services are answering distressed calls, with forensic experts gathering post-mortem report.
The count that has been given by the Ahmedabad police is 265 bodies they have recovered from the crash site, which is just about few meters away. If I can ask my video journalist to show you, this is the civil hospital. This is one of the wings of the civil hospital, and right behind this is the BJ Medical College hostel where that incident took place. So it roughly takes about 10 minutes for the people to come here, because this is not a small campus. It's a 3 to 4 kilometer widespread campus, and it is known as Asia's biggest civil hospital.
Hundreds of family members are now gathered at the City Civil Hospital in Ahmedabad. Many are giving their DNA samples. Some are still clinging to hope. The others mourning their unimaginable loss.
We can see hundreds of relatives who have come from across the country. They are the relatives of the victims who are here to give the DNA samples, because once the DNA samples are given, the authorities here, the medical professionals here will be able to identify that this passenger has been identified, and then the body will be handed over. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Ahmedabad in Gujarat with Vijay Siddesh.